Hi everyone, this is Ariana Antonio for AVF 1311, and this is my final project review. Unfortunately, I didn't quite get the chance to do all the stuff I wanted to do this week in terms of polishing up my app and making it look well polished. I didn't get really the opportunity to do all that, so it still just looks pretty basic and pretty normal. I did eventually get the Redbox API key, but I wasn't able to get it to pull in JSON-P data. It was only returning XML data. And so I'm not sure what went wrong there, but I tried a bunch of stuff and I couldn't get it to return JSON-P. And without that, I couldn't use it. So at the last minute, I ended up having to kind of change what I had planned and do something just simple, not fancy, not fun or interesting, just kind of simple. So we go back to my Instagram search page, which I already had before using the Instagram API to search for tags. So this time there's another submit button that of course you can't see. It says find photos near my location. So you click it and it pops up a notification that says we found 20 photos near you. So that's my first mashup. Again, nothing really exciting, but using the notification, it pulled the Instagram data for how many photos it found, using that part of the object. So it is using Instagram data in its notification, even though it's just pulling the number 20 from how many photos it found. So nothing terribly exciting for an app, but it's there. And then after it pulls up photos, all based on your location, on your latitude and longitude coordinates. I think it just pulls up 20. Instagram didn't show a way to expand that or decrease it, so I think it just default pulls up 20 photos. And then also if you turn them to the side, there are 3 rows instead of just one. Wow! So that's pretty much that for this week. I also couldn't get my Android emulator to recognize my location. It's apparently supposed to. I tried doing some stuff that people had online using the command and setting a geofix, just kind of, it may not recognize a movable location, but where I can just tell it a location and it will recognize it, and it didn't do any of that. I don't know if there was a setting I'm missing or what, but the emulator would not find my location. And so when I click on find my photos near my location, it pulls up the alert that's my on fail function. So it's not even going into my on success function because I can't find my location at all. And again, I don't know if there's a setting I'm missing. I have the geolocation plugin downloaded or installed, and I tried manually adding a location in there with geofix, as well as using some of the manual stuff in the DDMS. I'm not sure if I said that right, within the emulator options, and nothing. So considering the fact that I needed my location for both notifications, because obviously the Instagram API won't even use the notification if it can't find my location. So neither of my native features are working for this. So that's a big bummer, and it's really frustrating. I don't know why it didn't work, but anyway, that's my app. 4 minutes long, and I didn't really show off much, but anyway, thanks for the great class. I actually legitimately enjoyed using the APIs and the native features and learning how to do that stuff. I just wish it had worked better this week for me. Thanks so much. Bye.